There's a golden rule in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu: position before submission. You cannot force a win if you're in a bad position. You have to secure your base, control your opponent, and then go for the finish. Lawsuits are identical. We don't just demand money on day one. We secure the position first, witness statements, medical experts, crash data. Once we have the dominant position and the insurance company has nowhere to go, that's when we apply the submission and get the settlement. Feldman Lee. We fight so you don't have to. Now get the f*** up.